Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, November 15, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, November 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 15, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, November 15, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for November 15, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, November 15, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.